Hello, and welcome to this video on changing bad habits. Whether trying to improve your productivity at work, break a bad habit affecting your health or relationships, or become a better version of yourself, changing bad habits is essential to personal and professional growth. In this video, we will discuss some practical strategies that you can use to replace bad habits with good ones. Step 1. Identify your bad habits. The first step in changing bad habits is to identify them. What is some of the habits that you engage in that are not serving you well? Make a list of these habits and be honest with yourself about why they are harmful. Take some time to reflect on your daily routine and behavior patterns. Step 2. Understand the root cause of your bad habits. Habits are often formed in response to specific triggers like stress, boredom, or anxiety. By understanding the triggers that lead to your bad habits, you can develop strategies to overcome them. Step 3. Replace bad habits with good ones. Now that you have identified your bad habits and understand the root cause, it's time to replace them with good ones. This can be challenging, but it's important to remember that forming new habits takes time and effort. Start by choosing a specific habit you want to change and focus on replacing it with positive behavior. For example, to stop eating junk food, replace it with healthy snacks like fruits or vegetables. Step 4. Make a plan and stick to it. Creating a plan is critical to successfully changing bad habits. Write down your goals and the steps you will take to achieve them. Be specific and commit yourself to sticking to the plan. Set realistic goals and track your progress to keep yourself motivated. Step 5. Get support from others. Changing bad habits can be challenging, and having support from others is essential. Share your goals with friends and family members who can encourage you and hold you accountable. Joining a support group or working with a coach or therapist can also be helpful. In conclusion, changing bad habits is essential to personal and professional development. You can create positive change in your life by identifying your bad habits, understanding their root causes, and replacing them with good ones. Remember that changing habits takes time and effort, but with commitment and support, you can achieve your goals and become the best version of yourself. Thank you for watching this video, and I wish you all the best in your personal and professional development journey.